If salmon are thriving, then watersheds are healthy. Other wildlife populations are thriving, including our beloved orcas. And we're creating a world where people and wildlife can thrive and coexist. And that's the kind of world I want to be part of creating. My name is Rachel Vasak. I'm the director with the Nooksack Salmon Enhancement Association. We work to educate, inspire, and engage our community to take action to keep wild salmon here for future generations. So our work here at Nooksack Salmon Enhancement Association, or NC, has a few different goals and approaches. One of them is to restore habitat so that salmon and other wildlife can thrive and we have healthy watersheds. We do that by removing fish passage barriers, improving the quality of habitat and the complexity in the stream channels, and planting thousands of native plants in riparian areas alongside streams each year. We also work to educate community members about salmon, from preschool-aged children in summer camps to community forums and workshops. We try to give people throughout our community opportunities to learn about and increase their caring for salmon. In 2000, we started a Students for Salmon program, which we reinvented multiple times as learning requirements have changed. We give teachers a curriculum that helps them meet their learning standard requirements. We take all of the classes out on a field trip to a local stream near their school so they can learn about their watershed. And they learn about that watershed, but they also do something to help make that watershed a better place for salmon. Since 2000, we've educated about 30,000 students through the Students for Salmon program. Each one of those students has spent 50 or more hours learning about salmon. That's an incredible volume of understanding and awareness that this program has created. There's a lot about salmon recovery work that is discouraging, and it can be hard to find motivation when we're discouraged. What I and most folks that I work with here at NC do is look at the results of the projects we've done. For every fish passage barrier we've removed, we're able to go out to that stream and see salmon utilizing the habitat upstream of what used to be a barrier. We can see where we've done restoration projects and that there are juvenile salmon using that habitat. And that tells me that each project we do is making a positive difference for salmon. We just do a little bit of the work, but we couldn't do any of this without the support from everyone else who's involved at some level. From planting the trees, to teaching the classes, to providing the funding. Everyone who's involved in that process is doing something to make a positive difference. And to me, that's creating hope for salmon recovery, for the 137 species of wildlife that depend on salmon, and for healthy watersheds that support us as well.